Hey everyone, I wanted to take a second and I wanted to go over the Unit 1 review for your test on Thursday. On this first question, we have a triangle DEF that is a scale copy of this first triangle ABC. All right. It says find all the side lengths for figure DEF. Well, to find the side lengths, we have to find two corresponding sides that we have all the information for. So there are marked as corresponding sides. Remember, corresponding means the same relative location. They're in the same location, just on a different shape, okay? So in order to find a scale factor, remember scale factor is what we multiply by to get the new lengths, okay? We don't have this one, we don't have this one, okay? So in order to do that, I want to divide the new by the old, or the scale copy by the original. So if that's the case, I'm going to divide 9 by 6. And when I divide that, that gives me 1.5. So I'm going to multiply these other two distances to get the scale factor. So I have 4 times 1.5 is going, let me put that point in there where we can see it. It's kind of hard to do, which gives me 6. So I know that line segment DE measures 6 units. If I do 5 times 1.5, that's going to give me 7.5 units, or 7.5. So I know that this side is 7.5 units, and that is line segment FE. So now I can fill these in. So we had to find the scale factor. We divide the new by the old to get that. And then whatever that scale factor is, we want to multiply it by the other two lengths to get those sides that are missing. Now, there's the questions. These same triangles we want to look at. Well, our scale factor was 1.5. And the only way we're going to get it to be twice is if it has a scale factor of 2. So I know that these are out. The one that I want to talk about is this one right here. It's been a while since we talked about the angles. The corresponding angles in any scale copy, those correspond to this one. And then these last two right here, I'm just going to circle those. Those all correspond, okay? Corresponding angles in scale copies are always congruent. Congruent means they are always the same size, okay? So that means this angle is the same size as this angle. This angle is the same size as this angle, and this angle is the same size as this angle. So right here, when this says twice as much, that cannot be true. So that's something you need to remember, that measure the angles, corresponding angles in scale copies are always congruent. On this one, this would be the only one that we would mark. That is the only one that is true. All right. On the area one, perimeter, you can use the scale factor. But on area, you would have to multiply your scale factor times itself. And then that's what you would look at for there, okay? And I believe that that is 3.25. I may have gotten that incorrect. We'll check that math later. But know that you have for area, you have to multiply the scale factor times the scale factor.